If I told you that you could create unlimited AI videos in bulk, fully automatically, without paying a single dollar, without advanced editing skills, and without spending hours on one video, would you believe me? Because in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn simple text into full animated videos in bulk, completely free using AI automation. By the end of this video, you'll know how to generate AI stories, convert them into image prompts without missing a single line, turn those prompts into videos automatically, create professional AI voiceovers, and finally assemble everything into a polished, YouTube-ready video. This method works for kids' stories, motivational videos, faceless YouTube channels, shorts, reels, and even long-form storytelling content. And the best part is, this is 100% free. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because skipping any part could mean missing the most important automation trick. Now, let's begin. First, open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand side panel and click on Apps. From there, click on GPTs. In the search bar, type Free AI Story Generator. Open it. Now, in the chat box, type a simple prompt like this. Write a cartoon 3D animation story for kids. Hit Generate. Within seconds, you'll have a complete story. This story will be the foundation for all the videos we're about to create. Now comes a very important part. We don't just want a story, we want image prompts for every single line of this story without skipping anything. So here's what you ask next. Ask ChatGPT to generate image prompts for every single line of the story. You can say, give me image prompts for each line of this script in the same sequence without skipping any lines. You can use this prompt alone, or you can combine it with the full story text to make sure nothing gets missed. Once ChatGPT generates all the prompts, ask one more thing. Ask it to extract all the prompts into a TXT file. Clearly mention that you want prompts only in the same order with no extra explanations. When the prompts are generated, simply copy them. Now open a new browser tab. Search for Grok Automation Extension. Click on the official link. Click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension. Once the extension is installed, search for Grok Automation in your extensions list and open it. Click on Navigate to Grok. You'll now see 4 different options: text to video, text to image, frame to video, and image to image. In this video, we're focusing only on text to video. The other options are powerful too, and I encourage you to explore them later and tell me your experience in the comments. Under concurrent prompts, keep the default setting of 1 prompt. Prompt delay is set to 30 seconds. If you want faster generation, you can reduce it to 10 or 15 seconds. I'll keep it as it is. Now comes the most important part, prompts. Paste all the prompts you copied from ChatGPT directly into the prompt box. Before clicking Run, scroll up and click on Settings. Keep the default mode as it is, since we're generating text to video. Keep the model set to default. Now choose the aspect ratio, 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Shorts and Reels, 1:1 for Square, 2:3 for Portrait, and 3:2 for Landscape. I'm choosing 16:9 for YouTube. By default, Grok generates 4 outputs per prompt. Under Outputs per prompt, you can select between 1 and 4. I'll choose 1 to save time and keep things simple. Each output uses 6 seconds by default. You can increase it up to 10 seconds if you want longer scenes. I'll keep it at 6 seconds. For video quality, choose 720p. There are 2 options, 480p and 720p. 720p gives better clarity. Leave all other settings as default. Click Save Settings. Now click Run. You'll see the magic happen. The Grok Automation extension now starts generating videos automatically, one by one, for every single prompt you provided. This is bulk video creation, fully automated. While Grok is generating the videos, let's create the voiceover. Open Google AI Studio. Click on Turn Text into Audio using Gemini. Select Single Speaker. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the full story text. Come back to Google AI Studio and paste it into the text box. If you want, you can adjust the style instructions to make the voice sound more cheerful, calm, or storytelling. Now choose a voice. I'm choosing Lita. Click Run. Once the audio is generated, play back and listen carefully.
In the colorful town of Sparkle Springs, where houses shimmered like jelly beans and trees glowed softly at night, lived a tiny robot named Benny.
If you're happy with the result, download the audio to your computer. Now go back and check Grok Automation. By this time, all your videos should be generated automatically. Each prompt has now become a short video clip. Now it's time to assemble everything into one complete story video. For this, I'm using a free video editing software called Shotcut. Open Shotcut, drag and drop all the generated video clips into the timeline. Then, drag and drop the audio file below the videos. Adjust the clips so the visuals sync perfectly with the narration. Trim or extend clips slightly if needed. Once everything looks good, click Export. Choose your preferred export settings. Render the video. After rendering is complete, preview the final video.
In the colorful town of Sparkle Springs, where houses shimmered like jelly beans and trees glowed softly at night, lived a tiny robot named Benny. Benny wasn't like the other robots. The other robots had wheels, or rocket boosters, or super speed legs. Benny had springs. 4 shiny silver springs instead of legs. And when he got excited, which was almost always, he bounced. Boing, boing, boing. Sometimes he bounced too much. One sunny morning, the town gathered in the park for the annual Sky Lantern Festival. Giant glowing balloons floated above, tied safely to colorful ropes. Mayor Maple, a tall giraffe in a purple suit, made an announcement. Tonight, we release the grand golden lantern. It will light up the whole sky. Everyone cheered.
And just like that, you've created a full AI-generated animated story video in bulk without paid tools, without manual editing, and without technical complexity. This method can be used for kids' stories, motivational videos, faceless YouTube channels, shorts, reels, and even long-form storytelling content. Now let's wrap this up. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button because it really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more AI automation tutorials like this, and comment below if you want a full video on the Grok automation features like image to image or frame to video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.